Evening. Today is Monday, September 4th, and you're watching Monday Memo number 2. It's Labor Day today, students, so I hope you enjoyed the day off. It's actually called the official end of summer, as some people like to say. But we are just firing things up here at the school year for a big week of homecoming. It is homecoming week. 4 days this week. It's going to be a lot of activities crammed into 4 days, but it should be a lot of fun. Please, students, before I go any farther, check out the school calendar. It's located on the school website, and you'll find information for all events and the dates and times of those events right there on that school calendar. Again, that school calendar is located on the school website. Check it out so you know what's happening each and every day this week and in the weeks to come. Here are a few events from that school calendar. FCCLA Fall Leadership Workshop, that's tomorrow, Tuesday, September 5th, and the FCCLA meeting then is tomorrow night, Tuesday, September 5th at 7 p.m. in the FCS classroom. Eagle Olympics will be on Wednesday at 2 o'clock. We will probably dismiss grades 9 through 12 about 12:30 on Wednesday. Junior high will dismiss you about 1 o'clock, so those students can participate and complete the activities leading up to the Eagle Olympics at 2 o'clock. So we do have some things that you'll get to work on and prepare for that will be a part of the Eagle Olympics. Grades 9 through 12 will dismiss you again, probably around 12:30, junior high at 1 o'clock. So you can participate in the class events leading up to Eagle Olympics that'll start at 2 o'clock in the gym. Elementary Homecoming Pep Rally, that's on Thursday of this week, and the Homecoming Dance will wrap up the homecoming events for the week here at OHS. Following the football game on Friday night, coronation is scheduled for 9:30 p.m. So good luck at some of the big events happening this week, in addition to all of the other activities that are on that calendar. Again, check out that school calendar for all events, dates, and times. Also a reminder, the ACT test, that's at 8 a.m. on Saturday here at OHS. For those students that signed up for the ACT, it is this Saturday here at OHS. Make sure you check that out. You should have signed up for that long before this week. So again, check out the school calendar for all events, dates, and times. As we talk about homecoming, remember the theme this year is Down Home. The dress-up days are shown there, and just a reminder, make sure you keep your dress-up days appropriate. What you wear to school should really be in accordance with the dress code at all times. So if not, we'll simply ask you to change, but really get into it. Hopefully it should be a lot of fun. Hasn't been a real problem with dress in the past. Again, keep it appropriate. Eagle Olympics on Wednesday, dance and coronation on Friday. It should be a lot of fun events all week. Students, my challenge to you is show a lot of school pride and a lot of school spirit, and I think you'll have a great time. As we talk about the homecoming dance on Friday night, as always, appropriate dancing is expected. If it's not, we'll simply ask you to leave. Sign up your out-of-school dates ahead of time. You can do that here at the office with Mrs. Price. Appropriate dress is expected, and I challenge each and every one of you, dress up as much as you want to. Should be a fun event, but it is kind of a nice formal event. Make sure you treat it as such. Coronation, again, is at 9:30. We hope to have that football game over so we can have it at 9:30. If we need to alter that and make a change, we'll announce it at the game. Dance ends at midnight, and again, students, just have a lot of fun. When we talk about the O'Neill Way, one of the pillars is class, and you don't have to look any farther than our softball team to understand what first class means. I've had a chance to watch them play a few times this fall. I challenge each and every one of you, get out there and watch our softball team play, because they play hard. They do things the right way, and students, they're on a 3-game win streak right now. They represent our school, definitely the O'Neill Way, but they demonstrate a lot of class each and every time they step foot on the diamond. So come out and watch them play. Next time they're home, it should be a lot of fun, but this is a team that expects great things. They participate in a big class here in Nebraska and lots bigger schools, but you know what? This group expects great things, and great things tend to happen to those who expect great things. We know that. We've talked about that, and our softball team is a great example of that. Shout out to Coach Miller and Coach Price. They do a great job, and shout out to all of our softball players as they continue to represent each and every one of us the O'Neill Way. There are the 8 pillars, and again, you don't have to look any farther at a great example than an OHS softball team. Well done, girls, and well done, coaches. As we wrap things up, little homecoming week trivia. Here's the question. Can you name the homecoming queen and king for each of the past 3 years? That's 2014, 2015, 15-16 school year, and the 16-17 school year. Again, can you name the homecoming queen and king for each of the past 3 years, school 2014-15, 15-16, and 16-17 school years? The first person to type their answers in an email and send it to me, my email is listed there with the correct answers, will win a free lunch from a place of your choice paid for by me. Again, the homecoming queen and king for each of the past 3 years. Send it to me in an email. The first one to do so with the correct answers will win. I'll announce that as soon as we have a winner. As we wrap things up, remember, students, have an epic homecoming week. That's going to be a lot of fun, show a lot of school pride, and remember, as our softball team shows us over and over again, great things happen to those who expect great things to happen. Have a great week, and go Eagles.